What are we gonna do today, House Wolf?
Let's go work on the truck, boys.
Want to do some more stuff? Try to get closer to get the engine running?
Yep.
What are we working on today?
We're doing the starter.
Starter.
Exhaust.
And oil.
Exhaust. Got some stainless steel exhaust. I welded that up when you were on vacation. And we got a little oil injector, the Lube Tube 9000. We're gonna slap some oil on that. Ready?
Yep.
Let's do it.
Let's get to it.
What you guys do to Big Boy today?
Turn him into Mike Tyson.
That's awesome. That's the meanest Big Boy's ever looked.
Mike Tyson?
Did you do that? Did you vandalize Big Boy again? I had to buy a new starter because the one that came on it was junk, come out of a junkyard, and it was broken. So I had to get you a new one. And we should hook the wires on it. Me and E made up a little control panel. I don't know if we'll get to that today, but we can at least get the wires on. It'll be easier. So yeah, let's throw it on there. Here, hold that. It's heavy. You got it?
Yep.
Let's put first. Let's put it up on the new truck lift. We got a lift in the shop.
Yep. Yeah.
Green Plug Garage truck lift right here. Sponsors wanted.
Luxury.
Luxury cardboard. Watch your brains. Alright. Lay in your back.
Complicated.
How's that new eye protection I got you?
Good.
You look like Judge Dredd.
I don't even know what that means.
Alright, ready?
I'll laugh at it anyways. Yeah.
Got him?
Yep.
I'll hold it in place. And you run the bolts up, okay?
Through what?
And 2 holes in the bottom. You getting her, buddy?
Yeah.
You get one in? How's this one? Where's the other bolt?
I'm not doing it.
Give me this one.
Okay, okay. I can do it.
I just want to let it go. Because it's heavy. You got her?
Yeah.
Starter. Ooh, you alright, dude?
Yeah.
Face shield keeping your noggin from breaking. I mean, with that mask on, you look like a guy lost in space or something.
Yeah, like an astronaut.
But he works on trucks instead of space stations or whatever.
Pretty good down there, buddy.
Oh, that tire is your arm.
Yeah. Make them both. If you need a break, your brother can crawl under there. Switch it up here. Bud needs to crank on a few. Getting there?
Isn't that tire into your right arm just
Holding it over your head like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why we need a lift. Alright, ready? While you were over here, let's hook up this exhaust pipe.
318, 319.
Okay?
Let's do this.
Let's do this. I use the shorter bolt. Oh, gasket. You grab me the gasket.
Gasket?
It's silver. Be careful, yeah, it's kind of shitty.
Don't drop it.
Don't drop it.
Got it.
Let's see what I'm doing. Get the best. So we got the starter wired. We got this little downpipe. Do the other side.
Yeah.
So we got our little O2 sensor and my shitty little TIG welds. It's been a while since I've run the TIG or anything stainless. Gaskets. They didn't come with our manifolds. I found them. They were It's a 2010 Camaro. So if anybody buys a set of those, that's what that gasket. It comes with the flange, but it didn't come with a gasket. Crazy, huh?
Yep. What is a flange? I forgot.
This is the flange right here, the piece I welded.
Oh, okay.
I didn't finish welding up the passenger side one because I ran out of gas from my Tiggy. But this is the important one. This one's got the O2 sensor in it. A couple squeezes on it.
Not too many things before this thing started.
Yeah, what do we got to do next? We gotta put some oil in it,
Put some oil in it.
and then we
Wait.
have to hook up that guy over there. Slow movement, see, slow.
And knock off the shin bender.
Yeah, do some wiring.
Yep. Which we did do quite a bit of wiring on this already.
Yeah, we made our little mock-up engine starter.
Yep.
With our that little kit right there. That come from Amazon, $12.
Wow.
All right, what's left? Oil.
Oil.
Put some oil in it. I think there might be a quart, maybe 2, that I dumped all over the cam and lifters when we put everything together. And this is, we don't need to break it in or anything, but I do want to prime it. So
Yeah.
if you could see down here, I got a little valve. We'll hook up the lube tube 9000 to that and fill it with oil, and then put some air to it, and it should pressurize the system. It should flow oil through the engine. Want to do that? It sounds like fun.
Yeah.
Let's take some PVC and oil and some compressed air and see what kind of trouble we can get into.
What could possibly go wrong?
There. We got the lube tube 9000.
Lube tube.
Copyright.
Yes, that's British Ricky Bobby.
We'll fill that with oil and we'll super inject it into the engine. Cool?
Chug, 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 chug.
Alright, I don't know what's gonna happen, so stay back in case it goes crazy, okay? Ready? It's empty.
Empty.
Come in here and look. Empty. Oil injected, baby. That worked awesome. That worked awesome. Fill the rest of it up.
Yep.
You can hear it when it's empty. Want to check it? See where we're at?
Yes, what do I
Straight
do?
up. Just pull it straight up. Still nothing. Add more.
Add more.
It's probably only 3 quarts in there. What's up, pressure? Oh no, that's super full. Uh-oh. Now what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Now I got a problem.
Is it that thirsty?
It's thirsty. It's kind of draining. It's slowly draining into the engine. But it was up to the threads. I couldn't get the top on it. Okay, back up, dude. We don't want, if something goes wrong, you're gonna get a face full of oil. Ready? Let's check it. There you go, man. Now that's better than just dumping it down the hole. That way that sends it directly through the oil pump and it just pressurizes it throughout the whole system. Just a good way to prime it. We got the exhaust stubs on, mainly so we could put the O2 sensor in. And we got the starter in down there, hard to see, but we got it pre-wired. And next time, we're gonna wire it. What do you think? Wire it?
Yeah.
We got We got a battery and then a box of wires, so that'll be next video.
Yeah.
You guys had enough for today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let's wrap this up. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
You got me covered in bubbles. Alright, think we're good? Get out of here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, man. See you next time.
See you next time.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and tickle that bell icon for more videos.
Yeah, because next time we're going to do some wiring and start it soon. Later.
See ya.